Today I want to show you a product that I purchased and I use in order for us to be able to store our food during the week. More particularly, I've recently started the keto. Today I want to show you a product that I purchased since being on the keto diet. And more specifically, I want to show you what it is that we're using in order to store our meals throughout the week. These particular storage dishes work really well with keeping the items that we place in here fresh. So this is a particular product that I got from Walmart. Today what I'm going to do is show you a product that I purchased that's available on Amazon. We use it in order to store our items throughout the week. It's really great for helping us to store our food, keep it fresh, and allows us to eat throughout the week and prepare it typically on a Sunday. These dishes actually come with a 24-piece set. It has a combination of 12 glass containers, and each one of them has a lid. There is a lifetime replacement warranty on the lid itself. And I happen to like it because it has a locking system for those lids that attaches and it's vacuum sealed. So that's one thing that I like. They are airtight and they do a great job of keeping moisture out. So I'm going to just open this. This is a container that I haven't opened yet, one of the packages, just to give you an idea of what you get inside. I want to place this in the link down below so that you have the opportunity to see these. The first thing I want to point out is how well each one stores, so that when you're not using these glass containers, you're able to store them inside of each other. And so they look just like this. And each one of them actually locks inside the other. For the locking system on this particular one, as an example, you'll see that there's this seal that goes around on the inside, just to give you an idea of what that looks like. And the nice thing is that these store inside of each other. Again, these can be placed as an order on Amazon. I will place the link down below so that you'll have success in finding them. I've ordered some as well from that location. And more specifically, I got these from Sam's Club, and I only paid $24.99 for them. So what I'll do here is move this over so you'll get a better view of what you're getting in the container. So again, you'll get 12 thick glass sets. You can use these for freezing, or you can place them in the refrigerator to store your items. And again, they are vacuum sealed. This food storage set is the Glasslock food storage set. The glass is really thick and it allows you to place it in the freezer, and the lids are replaceable by the manufacturer if they become damaged. It does a great job of giving you the airtight seal. They even have a note on the front that points out that you can put it in the microwave. Make sure you do so without the lid. In addition to that, it is not for use in the oven, and you shouldn't put it in the top part of the dishwasher. However, you can put it on the bottom, because there on the bottom of your dishwasher is dishwasher safe. Again, I just want to point out that if you put it on the bottom of your dishwasher, it is dishwasher safe. So again, this is one of the tools that I use in order to keep my food fresh and stored through the week, and it does a really great job of keeping our food fresh. Thank you for watching.